President-elect Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu returns to the country after spending over 30 days abroad. The leader of the APC was greeted by fans and well-wishers at the private wing of the Nnamdi Azikiwe Airport with drums, dance and enough glamour. Presidential candidate of the Labour Party Peter Obi has stated that he does not need any rest after the campaign period. The former Anambra State governor maintained that anybody that loves the country will stay and fight, and not be globetrotting all around the world. As Nigerians prepare for the May 29 handing over day, some lawyers are petitioning the appeal court to stop Tinubu from being sworn in as president. The aggrieved citizens pray that the court hear their plea and act on it before the D-Day. Do you feel Tinubu deserves to be inaugurated as president?